This question is asked many a times, almost all the times, that to what extent should we develop our vocabulary? What is the limit of the vocabulary? And if we categorically try to group the vocabulary words, so which vocabulary words should we use? So, a very simple answer is that let's say that what is your career? If you are a linguist, so you should be having a wide vocabulary pool of all the terms which are related to linguistics and which are of C2 high level, because you will be pursuing your academic research and PhD, and you have to use the jargon. Okay, so what I do with my students, that I make the category. I see that what is their domain of their public dealing, or how they will be going about their academics. Okay, which discipline they are learning, and then I extract the vocabulary words of C1 and C2, and we practice them. Let's say that you want to become a chef. All right. So you should be having the C1, C2 vocabulary words which are related to culinary category. Do I make sense? Okay. If you are, let's say, an academic researcher, right? So you should be having all the C1 and C2 vocabulary in your daily communication, in your writing also, that is related to teacher education or that is related to academics. Then if you are fashion designer, so you should be having these words in your vocabulary like couture, and there are so many. So when you divide the vocabulary category wise, then and it is related to whatsoever you are doing on the daily basis, so you remain connected with it. All right. Always see that with what you are connected on the daily basis, and you can practice it thoroughly. There should not be gap in your practice, and then start learning from that pool of words, and you will see yourself that you will easily master. C1 or C2 vocabulary is not, if you have a proper plan or you have proper guidance for whatever your goal is, it becomes easily achievable. The difficulty is only here. Okay, once you get the right coaching, the right guidance, the right plan, you can do anything.